stem. They've got white little flowers on it, kind of look very similar to these flowers. They're both mustards. So the white flowers, they're my favorite. The leaves, when they're ready, they're pretty tasty, kind of garlicky flavor. But these seeds, these die really quick. If anyone's feeling brave, it's not dangerous, but it's not pleasant. I think it's a good idea to know what it feels like, because if you're ever walking in the woods and you run into it, there's more. Lots of these hairs, so just barely touch it there.
Well,
yeah. Is the cure for it.
it's gonna neutralize.
So you just
the acid.
neutralize the acid, yeah. So who's got it really bad?
Andrew.
I got it bad.
Yeah.
So crush that up, roll it up, real juicy.
Just to be
I
more-
try it on the tip of my finger while I use
Crush
the...
it all up, yeah. Like you really need the insides on the outside, and then you just rub it in wherever you got it,
Right there.
and just really rub it in. They're conjoined, growing out of the same spot, the two bottom ones, and then the third one grows a couple centimeters away. It'll always have that configuration. The leaves tend to droop down instead of like pointing up like other leaves. And underneath, you see it's got this wooden stem. So that is a dead giveaway. That is poison ivy. And the leaves, they're terminal leaves. So they grow at the end of a branch, not like all the way up the branch like other things. So terminal leaves, wooden stem, and then the configuration, two conjoined in one.
And just cut right down. You want to cut that head right off. It might take a little bit of pressure. You might have to do a little bit of sawing. Right? Then next you're going to go in through the butt, come right up the stomach and out the end. And once you do that, you reach in, grab all the guts in your hand, toss them in the bag.
Beautiful.
And then once all the guts are out, in the middle of the fish there's a little bit of a bloodline. I usually take my thumb and I run it right down, and all the blood should come right out the front of the fish.